So in today's class we are going to write this exercise program. This is a C program using ELSIF ladder, and this program has to notify the user the slot for vaccination based on the age of the user. So the data is provided in the question. So age limit is provided and week is provided. So there are four actually categories. You have to write all these four categories using a ELSIF ladder. So let's get started with writing the C program. I will use an online compiler for the same. So first of all, let's declare some variables. The variable required by us is age, since we have to take input from the user. The age, let's ask the user for the age. So user needs to enter the age. So for storing the age value, we will use a printf statement and the name of the variable. So variable name is age. After this, we need to write all the conditions for the vaccine slot. So the first condition was if the age was above 60, then the first week was provided. Let us have a look at the question. If the age group is 60 and above, then week 1 is the allotted week for vaccination. So 60 and greater than 60, let's put a printf statement saying congratulations, you can visit the health center on the first week of the month, something like this. So congratulations, you can visit the health center in the first week of the month. So this is how it would look like. You can print any message on the group as per what your choice. Next we have is the second condition, which will be put in else if and inside the parenthesis. So let us have a look at the second condition. It is 45 and 59. 45 to 59 for week 2. So that should be age greater than equal to 45 and age should be less than equal to 59. So there are two conditions, hence we require the AND operator. Let us print the statement or a notification on the screen. So how do we do that? I'll just copy paste so that I don't waste time. So this is the second week. After this, let's go on to the next thing. The next condition is else if. In the parenthesis we have to write the condition. Let us have a look at the question once again. What is the third condition? 31 to 44. So age group should be greater than equal to 31 and age group should be less than 44. Okay, so it's this age group rather. So it's this people between 31 to 44. For them, the allotted week is week 3. So I will just paste that statement and make modifications over here itself so that I do not waste time. Once I'm done with this, let me print the last condition. So what is the condition? The condition was everybody above 18 till 30 will be having the vaccine in the week 4. So age greater than equal to 18 and the second condition is age should be less than equal to 30. Right? After this, we have to print the notification for that age group. So that would be the 4th week. So I have just copy pasted once again I will modify this sentence to say it is for in the 4th week. The vaccines should be taken in the 4th week. So after this, the last would be else. So let us just write an else saying you are not eligible. So if anybody who is less than 18 is trying to book the slot, the message should be printed onto the screen saying you are not eligible for the vaccine. So in this ways, all the age people are handled well in the program. So all the cases are actually covered in the program. Let us just go through if there is anything missing out. All the people above 60, people between 45 to 59, people between 31 to 44, people between 18 to 30. Next, last is people less than 18. So this else condition will be executed only if none of the conditions are true. So only in that case that last else part will be executed. So let us just put one statement saying, this is just for making the program look very interactive. COVID-19 vaccination slot notification. You can put any message. So that is it. Let us run the program and see if we're getting any syntax errors. First of all, there are no syntax errors. So this is how the output will look like. So enter your age. Suppose my age is say 57. Okay, so this is the output which will get printed. You can visit the health center in the second week of the month for the vaccination. So this is what is printed onto the screen. Great, it works perfectly correct. Let us run it once again and see. What if we enter the age as 15? So perfect message, you are not eligible for the vaccine. Let us try it for another case. Let us say the person is about 60. So say the person is 70 years old. Congratulations, you can visit the health center for vaccination in the first week of the month. Great. So let's try out some other case. What if the person is 35 years old? You can visit the vaccination center in the third week of the month. Correct. So every case is being handled well in the program. So everything is well covered, and that's it for this program. So I'll just focus on the question once again. So this was a question which we have written the program for. This is the exercise. Thank you for watching the video.